Hello my gorgeous ladies, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're most welcome to my channel once again. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you're a lover of beautiful nails and hairs, kindly do well to subscribe to this channel. For this channel, got to cover for anything latest nail designs and hairstyles. If you want to stay updated, kindly join us today and you'll be glad you did. Thank you my ladies. As you can see guys, today we have carefully selected a very simple and unique trending nail arts for my ladies. Short and easy nail designs for elegant ladies. You guys, these nails are so beautiful, you know, and very comfortable to rock. Like you can rock it comfortably to any occasion and you'll be looking all good and beautiful. Remember, we have it in different lengths, different nail arts and different colors, so whichever way you want it, just ensure to watch to the end. Do not miss any slide, for all the slides are mind-blowing. You guys are gonna be seeing latest designs here, latest nail designs that you definitely fall in love with. Okay, so please, as you watch, kindly do well to select your most loved ones, you know, select your favorites, and also share to your family and friends so they can also be part of this beautiful video. If you're not the type that love long nails, then this video is highly recommended for you. Just watch it from beginning to the end, okay, so that you get to see all the beautiful designs that we have selected just for you my ladies. As you watch our videos, kindly do encourage us by liking this video, share and comment. Okay, we'll be waiting for your lovely comment in the comment section. Also, if you have any video idea that you want us to bring to the channel, also drop it in the comment section and just will be there to reply you. Thank you so much my ladies, and see you guys in our next video. Bye.